Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Damon from the Creative Edu Academy speaking, and today I will be conducting an elementary oral test for adults. And this is exclusive for you adults out there, so be prepared. Let's get to it, shall we? So, let's start off. What is your name? Where are you from? And how long have you been learning English? And do you enjoy learning English? So let's get to it, shall we? First off, is there anything in your life that you're really good at? Any skills, anything in particular that you have high skills in? That's wonderful. That's really nice to know. How often do you spend time with your friends? I see. Tell me about the place you live in. How or what is your house like? That's nice to know. What are you planning to do during the weekends? You have any plans? Exciting plans, I might say. Have you ever been to an English-speaking country? If so, tell me a little bit about the trip. That's incredibly interesting, I might add. So that wraps it up for the end of our oral test. I hope to catch up with you all soon, and feel free to repeat the video again to test yourself again. See you next time here at the Creative Edu Academy. Bye!